it's Jeffy again, and today we're doing my very first reaction video. And today we're going to react to Jeffy Has Hiccups. Now we all know that hiccups are very annoying. So this is made by Super Mario Logan, aka Super Luigi Logan. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, let's start the video.
Hey, Daddy.
Okay, so there's Jeffy and Mario.
If I could go in the bathroom.
And Jeffy's just being hilarious.
Jeffy, you have the hiccups.
And Jeffy just realized he got the hiccups now.
I don't know, they just come randomly, but they're really annoying. I hate them. Jeffy, stop doing that.
Jeffy just can't stop doing the hiccups. He's got the hiccups.
I don't want to hear them. Jeffy! Oh, okay, we have to get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, Jeffy.
Just hold your breath for a really long time.
Hold my breath.
Yeah. Just hold your breath. It'll make them go away. Just hold your breath until you can't breathe anymore.
Oh no, he's gonna hold his breath. That's not good.
Keep holding your
Oh
breath.
no. Oh no.
Just keep holding your breath.
Oh no, he's turning blue.
Okay,
He's turning blue. Oh no.
Jeffy!
No.
Breathe. You can breathe, Jeffy. Oh no.
This must be what's going on in Mario's mind if Jeffy died.
Because his dad forced him to hold his breath.
Oh no, not the subscribers. Oh, it was just a fake dream. Heh, well, really. Save him! Save him! Oh, what a relief, he's alive.
Oh, you're alive, Jeffy.
Thanks, Daddy.
What? Your hiccups aren't gone, Jeffy. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna call a doctor, and he's gonna help get rid of those, because I can't stand them. They're annoying.
Okay, Daddy.
All right.
Oh, there's Brooklyn guy.
Okay, my son has hiccups.
Did you just punch Mario in the face?
Are you kidding me? I could be doing surgery right now. I could be saving lives, not helping a kid with hiccups.
Yeah, Daddy.
And then Jeffy hits him.
He has hiccups, and I want him gone. What can we do?
Well, I don't know. I'm not
I think
a hiccup
Brooklyn guy might be
What, there's a hiccup
something
specialist?
Yeah, I know.
to help Mario and
Can you
Jeffy get
call
rid of the
him? I really need
hiccups.
Okay, yeah, sure, I'll call him.
Let's find out.
Hey there, I'm the hiccup specialist.
Did he just change shirts?
You're a hiccup specialist?
Yeah, I went to 5 years of hiccup school.
What, are your parents proud of that?
Ow.
No, they are not.
Well, how do you get rid of hiccups?
Well, first I'm gonna have to take a look at Jeffy and see how bad these hiccups are.
Okay.
Okay, open your mouth, Jeffy. Say ah. Really get up in there. Smells like pepperonis. Yeah.
Jeffy's still
it's a really
doing the
bad case of
hiccups. Like,
Well, how do you get rid of them?
Well, usually in a case like this, we have to scare him. It's a part of a 7-stage
are they gonna try to scare him?
process. So basically, we're gonna
how's
have to
scaring him gonna work?
Yeah, that didn't work. All right, well, if that didn't work, I guess the only thing we got to do now is boom.
Well, that
No,
didn't
not
do
quite.
anything.
I'm gonna have to go
Scaring
out to my
him didn't
car and
work.
get a few things.
Okay.
Boom.
Okay. Again.
Oh, man, this kid's got nerves of steel.
Oh, okay.
All
So
right.
what's stage 2?
Stage
All right,
2?
Well, stage 2 is basically boom.
Really? That's just like
All
stage
right, That's
1.
not working. Come on, follow me. Boom. Back on that.
My god, Brooklyn guy, it's not working.
Come on.
Yeah, still nothing. All right.
Jeffy, come on.
Okay, stage
The
2 is the
balloon.
balloon effect. Jeffy, take this balloon and hold it.
Wait, a balloon?
Okay, you like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah, I like a balloon.
Boom!
Really? Scary
I
mask?
really thought
That
that was
ain't gonna
gonna
do
work.
anything.
What?
All right, okay, stage 2 for real this time. You like that balloon, Jeffy?
Yeah.
Okay. What was that?
All right,
What was the
on to stage
achievement of
3.
that? All it just did was waste the balloon.
All right, so stage 3 is the angry drunk dad coming home from work.
Well, stage 3, the angry
Scares
drunk
the kids every
dad.
time.
Wait, what?
Sharon,
Wow.
Where's my dinner? Sharon, I got laid
Don't
off
worry,
from
everyone.
work today,
He's not drunk.
Sharon.
He's just faking it. Just to scare Jeffy.
What is this? Soggy Cookie Crisp for dinner again, Sharon?
Who puts
That's not
Cookie Crisp
healthy.
on the table?
Where's
No,
my
that's a waste of
kids so I can
cereal.
yell at 'em? Don't make me get the mask. Boom.
Really?
Yeah.
That didn't accomplish
Did that
anything.
work?
He's still
All
doing it.
right, on to stage 4.
Stage 4.
All right, so
Ooh,
stage
I
4
remember
is
this
the apple
trick.
on the head stage.
The crossbow and
Head
apple.
stage.
Yeah, it's where we put an apple on Jeffy's head and we shoot it off with a crossbow.
A crossbow?
I heard
Yeah.
that
Isn't that
doing the
dangerous?
crossbow
Well, yeah,
in the
it's
behind the
dangerous,
scenes
it's
video,
scary.
it was
Well,
extremely
if you miss?
dangerous.
Well,
So
if I miss, the arrow
remember,
goes through
kids,
Jeffy's head
do
and
not
dies
do
instantly.
crossbows
But if I hit the apple,
the
it'll
apple
be
trick
awesome.
because you might hurt yourself
All right, let me go
or
get
someone
my
else.
goggles.
So do not try using a crossbow
Man,
inside a
I'm
house
gonna get him eventually.
because you'll either hurt someone or you'll destroy
do this.
property.
Okay.
All right, let's shoot this apple.
Okay, Jeffy, are you ready?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, he's ready.
Okay.
3,
2, 1.
1.
Well, that was really
Jeffy, are you
close to
okay?
his helmet.
Yeah.
Oh, he still has hiccups.
I'm quite
Well,
surprised
may
that he
still have
survived
hiccups,
that.
but look at that shot! Bullseye!
Well, what are we gonna do about his hiccups?
Yeah, and if you want more bad news, there's a hole in your wall.
It broke a
Yeah,
hole in
okay,
the wall.
on to stage
It
5.
was very tiny.
Oh,
All right, so for stage 5, we got a bomb here.
Oh, bomb.
Yeah, a bomb, and Jeffy
It's a fake bomb. Don't
Cutting one
worry.
of those wires, and if he cuts the wrong one, it explodes and we all die.
Well, which one
Shout
is
out
it?
goes to Super Mario Logan, aka Super Luigi Logan,
Yeah,
for
I
making
know,
this
that's why
video.
it's scary. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
Oh, okay, Jeffy, choose a wire.
But then I don't know which one to pick.
Just choose a wire, Jeffy.
Oh, yeah, oh, okay.
Oh, suspense.
Mighty, just pick that one.
Nothing happened.
What?
Did it
But
work?
the
Did I
balloon
scare you?
pop tricked. Really?
Man.
Why didn't the bomb go off?
Well, it's not a real bomb. It's just an Apple Watch taped to a firecracker taped to an Xbox power brick.
Oh, it's just an
Oh,
iPhone
Anyway,
taped to a
on
power
the
brick.
next one.
The airplane.
All right, so for stage 6,
I like
we're
how they
gonna push
green
Jeffy out of
screen
a
the
plane
characters
without a
on the
parachute.
airplane,
Yeah,
and
hopefully the fear of hitting
then
the ground and dying
and they
is
got
gonna get
stock
rid of his
footage of the
hiccups.
airplane.
But what if he actually dies?
Oh, don't worry, he's not gonna die. Not as long
all
as he
be
hits
funny.
the Twister Man.
What, the Twister match?
Twister
Yeah,
map.
Twister, like the
Oh,
board
the
game.
game
Yeah.
As
Twister.
long as he lands left hand red, we're good.
This could be fun.
What?
All right, champ, down you go.
Oh my god, he's just falling. Ooh, ouch.
Jeffy, are you okay?
Well, he landed left hand on red, so I'd say that's a win in my book.
But is his hiccups gone?
Nope.
What do we do now?
All right, it's time for stage 7. The
The
worst,
final
most
stage.
scary thing that I can think of.
Well, what is that?
Really?
All right, everybody,
gas
put your
station?
stuff on the counter and make sure it's open. That's good. All right, how much I owe you?
Huh.
Okay, let me
That's
just get my
expensive
wallet.
for food.
Wait, where's my wallet?
Wait, what?
I forgot my wallet. I must have
For
left
God's
it at home.
wallet, really?
Oh no! Oh no! How am I gonna pay for all this? We
Let's
already
see, I see
opened it.
cat
I
food,
drank
a
my drink,
slushie,
but
and
where are we gonna
Cool
go?
Ranch
Do you have
Doritos.
your wallet?
No, I don't have my wallet.
Oh no! What a scary situation! How are we gonna pay you? What do we do?
You leave.
How
Well, that
embarrassing!
didn't work at getting rid of the
okay.
hiccups. So what are we gonna do
Well,
now?
Stage 7 didn't work, and that was the scariest thing I know. So I don't know what to do now.
Yeah, we tried all 7 stages, so what do we do now?
Well, I hate to admit this, but I think Jeffy has incurable hiccups.
Incurable hiccups.
Incurable
There's no
hiccups.
such thing,
Yeah,
okay?
I mean, I don't think there's a cure for. Boom!
He just keeps scaring him.
All right. I had to try just one more time. Yeah. I hate to say it, but I think Jeffy's just gonna have hiccups for the rest of his life.
Daddy, I don't want hiccups for the rest of my life.
Is that a fly?
Get out of here, you stupid fly!
Come on, Jeffy, it's just a fly.
I know, Daddy, but it was really scary. It's trying to eat my face.
Wait,
The hiccups are gone.
I think his hiccups are gone.
Wait, really?
The
Yeah.
hiccups are
Wait, Jeffy,
gone.
do you have hiccups?
Think
Jeffy's
so.
cured.
Wait, I think that fly, it cured his hiccups.
Oh no.
What?
Oh no.
Now Mario's
Please,
got him.
Please don't tell me.
All right. I'm gonna go get the crossbow. Boom!
That's my question. How would you scare someone if you had to? That's a good question. So now, that was a pretty good video, so how am I gonna react to these videos if I'm using an iPhone and I don't have a computer? Good question. I'm using a 3DS by Nintendo. So, how did you think of this video, and do you want me to react to any more videos? This is Jeffrey Sambrowski signing out.